Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Tidio Chat UI for faster website engagement. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Tidio Chat UI for faster website engagement, start by logging into your Tidio account. Once logged in, navigate to the chatbot section on the dashboard. Click on the Add New Chatbot button to begin creating a new chatbot experience. Choose a template that best fits your business needs or start from scratch. Customize the chatbot's appearance by selecting colors, fonts, and styles that align with your website's branding. Next, set up the welcome message that users will see when they first interact with the chat. Incorporate quick replies to help guide users through the conversation effectively. Use the logic branching feature to create a more tailored experience based on user responses. After configuring the chatbot, save your changes and proceed to the integration section. Find the Install Tidio on your website option and select it. Follow the step-by-step instructions specific to your website platform. Copy the provided JavaScript code snippet. Go to your website's code editor and locate the section before the closing /body tag. Paste the JavaScript code snippet in that section and save your changes. Return to your Tidio dashboard and test the chatbot to ensure it appears correctly on your site. Make any necessary adjustments to the chatbot settings based on user interaction feedback. Finally, monitor engagement metrics regularly to optimize the user experience further. This streamlined setup will enhance website engagement and improve customer interaction. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.